Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'm gonna be showing you one of the most historic port here in Mediterranean, which is known also as the Rock of the Mediterranean or known as the Gibraltar Port. So bali naka-alongside na po tayo dito sa may Gibraltar for dry dock. So bali may mga gagawin dito sa may barko natin, specifically yung cylinder po ng crane natin or yung offshore 250 ton crane natin, may gagawin po dyan. Tapos yung sa may makina natin at saka other things, especially sa may hull and some other things needed na kailangan gagawin or need some kind of attention or repair. So kaya nandito tayo ngayon sa may Gibraltar. Hello po guys, at good evening once again, and ito po, dito po tayo ngayon sa may Gibraltar, UK, and estimatedly ay tatagal tayo dito ng mga 2 weeks time. So depende po sa may takbo ng trabaho dyan sa may main deck. So may mga repairs na gagawin and outfitting. So dumating po tayo kahapon, and as usual bumalik po tayo sa may Gordyahan na 12:12, which is I'm gonna be starting at 12 noon until 12 midnight, and yung katumbaan ko naman ay 12 midnight until 12 noon. At saka yung mga puti, they're gonna be standing their watch as day workers. So ngayon, ito po, at as usual thing ay cabin planning and hotel management. Yes, Ben, go ahead.
672 nandito na.
672 back on board. Thank you. So yan po guys, so bali na-update natin yung hotel management natin. So merong mga consigners, and at the same time we're still expecting some more to arrive tomorrow morning and in the afternoon as well as on the evening. So pinaskil ko lang po dito yung listahan, which is kinulong-code ko sino yung nakarating na, sino yung darating pa, and on the upcoming days. So medyo busy po. So hopefully ay vlog tayo dyan at makalabas tayo dito sa may Gibraltar. So as we all know, ang Gibraltar ay isa sa pinakamagandang lugar dito sa may Europe. That's why a lot of tourists coming from different parts of the world ay pumupunta pa talaga dito para mamasyal dito sa may Gibraltar, dito sa may somewhere here in the Mediterranean. So at the end of this video ay isi-share ko po sa inyo, papakita ko po sa inyo kung bakit maraming turista at naging popular itong lugar na to. And if you're interested, please continue on watching on my video. Thank you very much. So bali yan po, lumabas na lang tayo sa may bridge swing natin para makuna natin yung overview or yung view outside, especially facing the anchorage area. Talagang napakakalmada, ang ganda ng panahon, makikita nyo talagang the glittering lights during the night. May enjoy po natin at makikita po naman ninyo talagang napakaganda ng view dito sa may Gibraltar area facing the anchorage area. At talagang naswerte tayo dyan, magandang panahon, walang disturbances or some kind of a weather disturbance. So yan, during the day, yan po, since na starboard side alongside tayo, makikita po ninyo yung mga building na yan ay yan po yung structures and common buildings and structural design pag nandito kayo sa may Mediterranean. So yan po yung yung bundok na pinaplano namin na aakyatin namin kapag nabigyan tayo ng pagkakataon na makalabas. Yan po, marami na po yung ang nakalabas dyan, and this says it's really nice view kasi makikita po ninyo yung the other side, which is facing the Mediterranean, tapos yung nandito naman is facing dito sa may inner side ng Gibraltar. So napagitnaan po tayo niyan, which is very strategic po yung lugar na to. So maraming nagsasabi sa atin, so bali kapag nabigyan tayo ng pagkakataon, makapag go ashore tayo, makapamasyal tayo, ay aakyat po kami dyan sa may bundok na yan. I'll take videos and photos para may share ko po sa inyo, at kung anong makikita natin doon sa taas, since na marami ang nagsasabi na talagang magandang maglakad-lakad dito sa may Gibraltar, which is really a lot of people or a lot of tourists na pumupunta po dito sa area na to.